Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial on how to get this very everyday glam kind of look which you can wear on an office party or a casual get together to look very glamorous yet very subtle. And if you want to see how I created this look, you can keep on watching this video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below what you would like me to do next, and let's go! In today's video, we are going to do a very soft glam look, very neutral look, but yet glamorous. Like, we'll give it a hint of pink and brown and make it glamorous, and yet it could be very subtle. You can wear this look to your office party or any get-together which is very casual, but yet you want to stand out of the crowd and look very fabulous. You can wear this look. And for this look, I've already done the base of my face. It's all prepped. I've already done the base of my face. I've applied my foundation, contour and highlighting, concealer. Like, I have applied all the cream products, and now I'm going to go ahead with the powder products and do my eyeshadow, eyebrows, lipstick, and call it a day. First of all, I'm going to do my eyebrows, and for my eyebrows I'm using this palette from Savannah Colors, which is very pretty palette. This palette is really pretty. It has all the neutral colors and pink and a little bit of orange golden. Like, it has all the colors you will ever need, and I totally am in love with this palette. So I'm going to take an eyebrow brush and I'm going to dip my brush into this brown shade, which is a dark brown, and I'm going to fill in my brows. And once my brows are on, I'm going to move on and do my eyeshadow. For my eyeshadow, I will need a base first, so I'm taking this Me Now Pro Contour palette, and I'm going to take a light shade like this one. And I'm going to clean up my brows as well as pull it a little down to use it as a base for my eyeshadow. I'm setting this concealer so I can have a smooth base to work my eyeshadow on. And I'm going to set my entire face as well, because I have applied a lot of cream products and not set it yet. So I'm using the same compact and I'm going to set my entire face with it. Now moving on, I have to apply a little bit of transition shade to my eyes to take off this eyeshadow look. For transition, I am using this light brown shade, which is a warm tone brown, on a fluffy brush, and I'm going to apply this all over my crease so I can use this as my transition color. And taking the same brush, I'm going to take this brick orange color . Now I'm going to take a packing brush and my 35F palette, and I'm going to take this dark pink shade on the packing brush, and I'm going to pack this pink color all over my eyelids. Yeah, I'm going to take a little bit of lighter pink shade like this one. This is almost a white pink. And I'm going to mix this with this light pink, and mix together both of the colors will give me a light but not that light pink color, and I'm going to apply this on the inner corners of my eyes. And now I want to add a little bit of glitter to the eye look, so I'm going to take this palette right, baby pink shade, on my fingertip, and I am going to place this all over the inner corner of my eyelid. I am using this mask liner in shade black, and I am going to apply this very lightly, very thin layer on my upper eyelids. Okay, so once that is done, I'm going to take a smaller blending brush and I'm going to dip it in that pink shade again. And then taking the same brush into the orange shade So basically my eyeshadow is done, so I'm going to finish it off with a mascara. I'm using this Suave mascara, and I'm going to finish off my eye look entirely using this mascara. Okay, now that my eye look is entirely done, I'm going to move ahead and sculpt my face. To sculpt my face, I'm using this contour palette, contour and highlight palette. I'm using this brown shade right here to contour my face. I'm going to take a clean fluffy eyeshadow brush and dip it in the contour shade and slightly take it on my nose as well. Okay, moving on, we are going to do a little bit of blush next. For blush, I am using my all-time favorite Savannah Colors palette, and I'm going to take a clean fluffy brush. I'm going to take this pink shade right here and this Swan Tone brown together, tapping off the excess. I'm going to blush my face. Next up, I need to highlight my face. For highlighting, I'm using this very pink sheen white color. It has a pink sheen, pink duochrome to it. I'm using this color. Okay, now that everything else is done, I have the last thing left to do, that is lipstick, and I have a bunch of options with me for pink shade, and these are all Huda Beauties. I'm going to apply it all over my lips. Then I'm going to take a light shade of pink and I'm going to apply it to the center part of my lips. That was it, guys. That was it for this video. I hope you liked this video. I hope you liked this look that I created today, which is very pink and yet very subtle, very glamorous, yes, yet very everyday. I hope you liked this look. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what you like about this look and also what you would like me to do next. If you're new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. And thank you for watching, guys. Bye.